Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the CleverMade Collapsible Laundry Baskets in Midnight Black and Shadow Gray, a versatile 2-pack solution for managing your laundry with ease. These baskets are designed with snap hinge technology, featuring a reinforced steel rim and a wooden base, ensuring a lightweight yet sturdy structure that snaps open for use and folds flat for storage. Each basket holds up to 2 full loads of laundry, measuring 23 by 15 by 13.25 inches when open and collapsing to just 1.25 inches, making them perfect for any space, whether it's your bedroom, bathroom, closet, dorm, or even RV camping. With a total capacity of 60 liters or 16 gallons each, they can carry up to 55 pounds, making them ideal for handling blankets, towels, and clothing. The space-saving design maximizes your organization, whether you're dealing with limited space or need a convenient travel organizer. Plus, with sturdy carry handles, these baskets are incredibly easy to transport, making them your go-to choice for a convenient everyday organizer at home or on the go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.